This is CPM Calculus Chapter 3, number 14. So in this problem, we're asked to look at the graph given in 313 and state the domain and the range using interval notation. Okay, so the domain again is we're looking at from left to right, we're looking at all the x values that have an output. Okay, so starting the arrow means we go all the way from negative infinity, right? So we're starting at negative infinity. We go to the left, left, left. We still have an output here, right? So good, good, good. We still have an output. Here, we have an output, right? Right? We still have an output. Even though it's not continuous, we still have an output at this point, right? So we keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, no output here. Okay, so once we stop having an output, we break. And that's at, well, this is 0, ticker, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's at 2. Right here is 2. So it goes to 2. We do not include 2, right? Because there's no point at 2. No value for our function y. And then we start again right after 2, right? Because there's an asymptote here. So we start again at 2. So the union with 2, comma, and we have values here, 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 and forever to the right. So the domain in interval notation is from negative infinity to 2 with 2 to infinity, right? Union 2 to infinity. Okay, so now let's look at the range. The range, now we're going, let me use a different color. We're going from bottom to top, looking at all the places where we have a y value. Okay, so we have a y value, yes, from negative infinity up here, because the arrow means we keep going down, 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 and we stop right here, right? Once we get to here, we don't have a y value anymore, right? And what is that point? This is our last point. Well, it goes down -1, -2, -3, -4. So this right here is between 2 and 3, it's -2.5, right? So our range is from negative infinity up to 2.5, right? And is this point included? Yes. So that means we close our range like this, right? And then where do we start up again? Well, where does this line end? So let me just kind of take a ruler. Where is the horizontal asymptote? Well, it looks like it's here at -2, right? So union, we start up again at -2, but there's a horizontal asymptote, so it doesn't ever cross that line, so we exclude it using a parentheses, right? And then we go up, 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 up. There's a value, there's a value. Well, we see here, this goes up forever. So even though we have like no value over here, right? As long as there is one or more values that we have range output. Okay, so we have a y value here, here, here. We have 2 y values some places. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 some places, right? But we have at least one forever going up to infinity. Okay, so this right here is our domain and range in interval notation. And this ends CPM Calculus Chapter 3, number 14.